Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Today we're going to do a quick analysis of Amgen. I have a market cap of $133 billion, current stock price is $247.94, and they're in the drug manufacturers industry. Here we can see that during the last 10 years it has actually overperformed the S&P 500 with its dividend reinvested. Now for some data. Sales growth 2.5%, earnings growth 0.1%, earnings estimate 7.10, return of capital 14.79, debt to free cash flow 3.97, and they are buying back a tiny bit of shares. Some dividend data: dividend yield of 3.12%, a payout ratio of 40.88%, the growth rate of nice 11.47%, and they have been growing their dividend for the last 10 years. That makes up for 7 out of 10 points. Not too bad, but not brilliant either. At gurufocus.com we can see that they rate Amgen as fairly valued with a target price of $257. But let's do a deeper dive in the valuation at FastGraphs. Here at FastGraphs we can see that they fared extremely well during their recession. After that they started to pay a dividend in 2012, and after that they have been increasing that dividend quite aggressively. The dividend started out at $0.56 a share and is now up to over $7 per share. We can also see that they actually doesn't have a single year of negative earnings growth, which is extremely impressive. And the growth is also both steadily and quite high at 10% per year. You might want to take a closer look at Amgen. I have this one on my watch list. I will do a deeper dive on this stock and company for sure. And if we project out to late 2024, we can see that you might have an annual return of 12.4%. So yeah, that was it for Amgen. Please share your thoughts in the comments and like and subscribe if you found the video informative. And see you next time. Bye.